Hey everyone, for engineers and DIYers who demand professional-grade electrical connections, check out the JRready DW5010 Deutsch connector kit. It is an all-in-one solution built to handle tough conditions. The kit includes a range of 2 to 12-pin DT connectors, paired with the ACT M202 crimping tool. Its 8-position dial lets you precisely control crimp depth for solid, consistent connections every time on 12 to 22 AWG wires. With an IP68 rating, it stands unwavering in wet and dusty environments. Its high-strength, flame-retardant body actively inhibits fire, offering a critical extra safeguard. It features size 16 solid copper contacts for excellent conductivity. The crimper is built with strong steel and a precision ratchet, feeling robust and built to last. The entire kit is made with reliable quality materials. May this tool be your go-to companion for work. Here is to being more productive and less stressed every day. Catch you next time.